Okay, to write an equation of the line passing through the points negative 3, 2, and 1, negative 2. First off, to write an equation, you have 2 points. You have to have a slope and a point. I have a point, but I don't have a slope. But I can find the slope. Now, I personally like to kind of go over and do the little box method on my little Inspire. But if you have a little, or you have a table, I kind of like to do this here. Take your second y value. The second y, that negative 2 right there is going to go right here. And I'm going to minus that y value right there, the y1 goes right here. And because I started with this, well, I want to start with this x here, it goes in front. I'm going to minus this negative 3, that's why it says minus negative, which means this comes like a plus, and negative 2 minus 2 is negative 4. The other one's like a plus, oops, a little fast there. Minus a negative is like a plus. So I have 4, negative 4 over 4 is negative 1. So my slope is negative 1. I like also doing this sometimes in a chart. What did I do from negative 3 to 1? I went up 4. From 2 to negative 2, I went down 4. Y is always on top. Negative 4 over 4, you rise over your run. Still got a slope of negative 1. I had to find the slope first. Now I like kind of using this method here. I know m's negative 1. I want to go over here and see the y. I'm going to use this, I believe this y right here, which is negative 2. And I'm going to use this 1 right here, which is a 1. And I put it in here. If I take 1 times negative 1, I get negative 1. So this 2, negative 2, that's my y, that's my m, that's my x. Y equals mx plus b. I'm doing all this to find the b. Take 1 times a negative 1 is negative 1. Add 1 to each side. What you do to one side, you have to do to both. Those cancel out. So b is negative 1. So my answer will be y equals negative x minus 1. Y equals negative x minus 1.